Welcome back to Suburban Betty, a lifestyle channel about cooking, cleaning, cosmetics, and more. In today's video, I'm going to give you some top tips how to stay cool if you don't have AC this summer. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned for affordable ways to beat summer heat. If you like this content, please subscribe, comment, and like. Okay, so it's the early evening here in South Africa on another hot day. This summer has been quite warm and I don't have AC. I have a portable AC, but it's quite expensive to run, and so I've been looking for some affordable ways to stay cool this summer. And I think I've come up with quite a few really good pieces of advice. Some of them may not be new to you, but some might. My first tip is to invest in a fan. They're not expensive, they last for years, and they don't use a lot of electricity. On a really hot day, sitting in front of a fan provides a lot of relief, and you can also use them in the evening to keep mosquitoes off and to stay cool while you go to sleep. So if you're going through some really hot weather like I am, you're probably laying down to go to sleep and thinking, how am I going to manage this? It's just too hot. So this is my top tip for staying cool without AC. So I'm in bed right now, getting ready to go to sleep, and as you can see, this is an unfrozen gel ice pack that you would normally put in a cooler bag if you were going on a picnic, or maybe even using for a sports injury, and this is a frozen one from the same brand. Now, using these gel ice packs when you're getting ready to go to bed at night is an absolute lifesaver in my opinion, if you use them correctly. Okay, so using gel ice packs is really simple. There's nothing really difficult about it. The only thing that you need to really bear in mind is that an ice pack is very cold, and so you don't want it to be on your skin for a very long time in case you get a little bit of ice burn, which can permanently damage your skin. So I keep my gel ice pack inside of a little towel cover that I made, which was really easy. I just sewed an old hand towel together to make a little cover for my ice pack. And that puts a nice layer of thick fabric between me and the ice pack, which helps to prevent any kind of burn. And I don't keep the ice pack on for very long. I usually keep it on one spot for about 15 minutes. I'm going to quickly take you through the best places on your body to use the ice pack. You can of course put it on your hands or your neck or anywhere where you feel really hot, but there are some key places that will cool you down really quickly. Okay, so there is the ice pack in its cover, and I'm just going to pop it in completely. Okay, so the key to using the ice pack successfully is to get it over an area that has a large blood vessel in it, and that will cool down your blood and help to cool down your core temperature. So when I'm using the ice pack for cooling, I either pop it under my arm over there where you have arteries in your arm, or you can pop it on the inner thigh, which I won't be showing you, but I think you know where that is, the inner thigh, sort of near your groin. And yeah, just do that for 10-15 minutes on one side, 10-15 minutes on the other side. You can swap to under your arm, and your core temperature will drop and you will feel cooler. So basically, you don't want to use this if you start feeling numb, and you don't want to use it if it feels too sore. For me, it doesn't, and I haven't had any ill effects from using it. But yeah, just use your discretion and common sense when you're doing this. And this is a really affordable way to cool yourself down. One ice pack in South Africa costs about 13 or 14 Rand on Takealot. I'm pretty sure you can find a similar option if you're in the States for about $1. And yeah, this works incredibly well to cool you down in a really affordable way. Number 3 is something that seems so obvious, but I think a lot of us ignore, and that is staying hydrated. The main way that your body stays cool is by sweating, and that uses obviously a lot of water. So drinking lots of cool water during the day is really important to help you stay cool and stay hydrated. So my next top tip combines 2 in 1, and that is have a fan, which we've already discussed, with have a spray bottle. So this awesome little gadget here is a battery operated fan with a spray bottle and a little water tank on it. If your power goes out, or if you're in South Africa and you're affected by load shedding, this is an amazing gadget to have on a really hot day, and it can stop you from getting overheated. I love the spritzer action on it, just to cool you down, and then you just pop the fan on. Let me show you what that looks like. And and you just have a little personal cooling device. On a really hot evening, if there's no power, this is an absolute lifesaver, and I really think if you live in a very hot place, you should consider getting one of these, even if you're just out and about for a picnic or, you know, something that you're doing outside. This is a real lifesaver. Okay, and for my last tip, we're in the shower, and that is to take a cool shower. Don't be tempted to use cold water, just use sort of cool water with a slight amount of warmth in it. Once you've spent 2 or 3 minutes cooling your body down, go and stand in front of a fan. So dry yourself off in front of a fan instead of using a towel after that cooling shower, and the evaporation of the water will cool your core temperature down in a sort of really natural and really affordable way. Well, I hope that you found some of these affordable ways of staying cool without AC useful. If you did, please comment and subscribe, and it would be really great if you liked the video.